here and there. Let me check. I got you. The last one is here. And now let me just check. And yeah, guys, look at that. That's pretty interesting.
This video made for entertainment and educational purposes only, so don't repeat anything you see in this video.
Morning guys, my name is Kyle. Recently I've been digging the whole Mines Predictor space because a lot of people keep asking me if this tool actually works, it's just another hype, and honestly I was pretty skeptical at first too, but this is how it looks right now. And that over past weeks I've been testing different tools just to see how they behave in real condition. So in this video I will show you exactly what I tested and how the process actually looks. Quick note before we start, guys, this video is made strictly for educational entertainment purpose only, nothing guys here is financial advice, and I'm not encouraging anyone to copy what I do. Alright, and with this said, let's jump straight inside and take a look of the tool what I'm talking about. So, this is a predictor I mentioned earlier. Today I'm just going to test how the thing actually works, and there are a few basic setup steps. I completed most of them, so we don't waste time on the boring parts. Instead of this, I will show you the inside interface and how the configuration works. And as you can see, the setup has a couple of simple steps, and now looks like the loading has started. Nothing complicated here at all, guys. Honestly, even someone who has never used a tool like this before could figure it out pretty quickly. And yeah, this is exactly the part I was talking about earlier. According to the setup I finished, everything should be ready now. And all it's just left is a small configuration here before start. So let me go back here and take another look. Alright, I got you. So here, and there. So let me back again, and alright, I got it. Another here, and the last one on the right on the bottom. Yeah, this is it. This is how it reacts. Now you can see how the interface actually looks from inside. Pretty straightforward layout, nothing too complicated. And I'm going to make another run because the process basically repeats the same steps again and again. There is nothing hiding here behind the scenes, and I'm literally just following the same setup flow. Alright guys, so let me just do it 3 times here and there. Let me check. I got you. The last one is here. And now let me just check. And yeah guys, look at that. That's pretty interesting. Now the next setup is just completing the final step. So everything should be updated properly, and I need to just send everything back because this is the whole point of this video. So I'm gonna do a quick preparation here before. Alright, it should be enough. And now the main question is where everything will show up. So let me open this section quickly. Alright. And while I'm doing this, so guys, what do you think about the tools like that? Drop your thought in the comments because I actually read most all of them. So the one more step and confirm. Yeah, boom. Guys, look at that. That's really amazing. That's already updated. That's really cool. So let me just fast close this and let me open the name of this tool what I'm using today. And you can pause the video right now to find this tool and take another look of this. So I will drop the name of this tool also in a pinned comment, so you can also check it there. Alright guys, and let's back to the main and check the update because it shouldn't take so long. Alright, so let me just check and wait the update. I'm gonna refresh the page because usually it responds really fast. This is why I like this application, because the response, wow guys, look at this, that's already appears. This is how it appears. That's super simple steps what I did today. The test was really awesome and I like how it went. And thanks for watching guys. Press like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will catch you in another one.